Welcome to FETW Insights, daily iron ore and steel updates 6th August 2026. Hi, I am Sughankar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at 96.20 US dollars per DMT in the noon closing hours, up by 1.89% from the previous session after trading within a 94.60 to 96.50 per ton range. The recovery was primarily driven by improving sentiment in China's steel market as stronger rebar and HRC futures encouraged expectations of firmer near-term iron ore demand. Stable blast furnace operating rates and steady raw material procurement by steel mills further supported buying interest. On the supply side, concerns over the potential Port Hedland strike and possible vessel loading delays maintained caution around near-term seaborne supply, while the absence of any significant increase in exports from major miners reinforced the bullish tone and lifted SGX iron ore prices. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market showed a mixed trend today, with prices remaining varied across different regions due to uneven demand conditions and cautious market sentiment. While some markets witnessed price stability supported by selective buying and improved inquiries, others faced pressure due to limited transactions and competitive pricing. Traders continued to adopt a cautious approach, balancing inventory levels with uncertain demand conditions. Overall, the market remained range bound, with regional price movements reflecting a combination of demand recovery and ongoing market challenges. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,150 to 8,650 per ton. Ex barbil price is stable. Pellet sponge trading levels around 25,400 to 25,500. Price is down by 100 to 200 rupees. Billet domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 38,500 to 38,600. Price is down by 100 to 200 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 40,500 to 40,600. For the grade FE 500, price is down by 50 to 100 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 44,000 to 45,000. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.